Hi everyone, welcome to 8th grade Civics. I'm Miss Christensen. I'm really excited to be working with you all this marking period, your last marking period at EMS before you go up to the high school. This is one of my favorite subjects to teach. I teach 4 subjects total. I work with the 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade, 11th grade, and 12th grade. All right, so you guys happen to be my favorite group of kids to work with, and I'm not just saying that. I recognize a lot of your names from last year working with you or from the field hockey team. So I'm very excited to work with you this marking period and get to know you all a little bit better. If you haven't had me yet, I'm excited to get to know you, and that's what I'm going to be focusing on for this new week that we have together. All right, so 8th grade civics is really different than 7th grade civics. 7th grade just focused on the government, American politics, whereas 8th grade civics, we focus on the entire world. We don't really focus on American issues. We talk about the good and the bad of the world. We talk a lot about current events. We talk about, kind of horrific things that you wouldn't really know that's going on currently. We talk about climate change, terrorism, nuclear weapons, human trafficking. We talk about everything here. This, though, is the first time I've ever taught an entire class online. So I'm interested to see how it goes. And I know, unless you were homeschooled, you are also in the same boat as me. So this marking period, guys, is going to be really interesting. We'll see how it goes. We're going to be flexible in what we do this marking period, and it should be an adventure. So I'm excited to get to know you all. This week, make sure you look over the syllabus and start thinking of ways to introduce yourself. Think of fun facts. Think of cool things that you can do that others can't. Think of ways to set yourself apart from the rest. All right, have a great long weekend, guys. I'm so excited to work with you this marking period.